Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to enable direct messages on your TikTok app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to enable the direct messages on your TikTok account, let's open up our TikTok app first. And after opening your TikTok app, you can see the profile button on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on profile, and after that, on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the three dotted icon or the three lined icon. Tap on the three lined icon like this and tap on settings and privacy again. Whereas on this section, you can see the privacy option available over here under the category of account. Tap on privacy, and over here on this category, scroll down a little bit and you will find the direct messages over here just above the blocked accounts. And before we move to direct messages, guys, please like and subscribe my channel, and because it gives me a lot of motivation to continue my work. And with that being said, let's go to the direct messages. And after that, you can see I have ticked on the followers followers you follow back and people sent messages to. And you can see there is the who can send you direct messages. If you tap on no one will be able to send you direct messages on TikTok. And if you tap on the above one, followers you follow back and people you send messages to will be able to send you direct messages on your TikTok. And there, guys, this is how you enable your direct messages on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.